Hi guys! Now let's talk about CSS animation with keyframes, one of the most exciting ways to bring your site to life. Unlike transition, which happen between two states, animation can describe a whole sequence of changes. To create an animation, we use the add keyframes rule. Inside, we describe what should happen at each step, usually from and to, or with percentage like 0%, 50%, and 100%. Example, add keyframes fade in from opacity 0 to opacity 1. It will make an element fading. You can control duration, timing function, delay, how many times it repeats, and whether it alternates direction. So here we have a box that moves left to right continually, or one that fades in and out every 3 seconds. I give you a tip: don't overuse animation. Use them to highlight important action or guide the user's attention. That's all. Keyframe animation allow you to design complex movement, making your site feel alive. See you there.